the jet power truck. It's to my right. And it is the beautiful 2001 Lincoln Navigator. Look at the flames shooting out of that turbojet engine when he lights up the afterburner. Look at that car leap ahead whenever he pops that afterburner. How quickly does it accelerate? It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 1 second. In the quarter mile, it achieves speeds over 250 miles an hour in just 6 seconds. And just in a moment, he's going to bring that turbojet up to 100% of RPM. Then light full afterburner and accelerate down the runway. Don't look away. Here he goes. It's going to happen fast. Oh my, that was just a 7-second burn of that afterburner. And his speed was 283 miles an hour. Once again, this magnificent machine. Right now it's one of a kind. You can have a copy of this too. Kenny Hyde is happy to make you one for $500,000. Come on down, you don't want to miss it. This is the jet-powered Lincoln Navigator. This is the first jet-powered SUV in the world today. This gorgeous black Lincoln Navigator looks just like your typical lowrider from the front and side. It has the original Lincoln grille, headlights, taillights, and front and rear bumpers, and door handles, and luggage rack, and all that good stuff for family vacations. All 4 doors open, and there's a passenger seat for a guest, and I sure hope I get to be that guest someday. Insurance purposes being what they are, that's never going to happen, but it does have a passenger seat. Chassis. Oh, Michael just went right by him, but here he comes. He is in hot pursuit. We have ourselves a drag race. Oh my, it looks to me like the Navigator won.
Home video shows him driving his jet-powered SUV at an air show at Otis Air Force Base yesterday when suddenly he rolled off the runway and crashed. Investigators say the driver was slowing down after completing a 300-mile-per-hour race against an airplane in the customized 2001 Lincoln Navigator. Amazingly, he was able to walk away. Here you see Ken Hyde taking it one step at a time today. He's recovering at Mass General Hospital. Amazingly, he only suffered a broken rib, a fractured elbow, and some minor bruising. But Ken Hyde says this crash hasn't scared him away.
It's my living somehow. I got to find a way to put it back together, and we'll come back at it. I still respect it.
As soon as I have some information, official information.
Ken says only the body of the car came apart, and that's what saved him. Preliminary reports reveal the drag parachute that was supposed to stop the vehicle malfunctioned.